Hello friends, welcome to engineering tutorial. So this is the second question that we are going to discuss. Again we are taking a simple one. So this question again we have to implement it using NOR gates. So first we have to modify this expression by applying De Morgan's theorem so that it can be converted into a way that we can implement it using NOR gates easily. So again the usual approach, double complement it, will double complement the whole expression. So it will become A complement B plus C complement double complement. Okay. Now here this De Morgan theorem will be used. A B whole complement is A complement and B complement. Okay, A or B whole complement is A complement and B complement. So if we do that here, it will be A complement B whole complement and C complement whole complement. Now we know the double complement of any signal or any variable will give us the same thing, the original. So it will be C. Okay. Now again here in this portion and this entire expression will apply this De Morgan theorem. A B whole complement is A complement or B complement. So first we'll apply it here, then we'll again apply it in this whole expression. Okay, so applying this theorem here, it will be A complement or B complement. Okay, now we know that the double complement of this will result in A. This is this. Okay, A complement and B whole complement. This gets us this. Now here this ANDed with this with whole complement on top will apply this, it will get us or C complement. Okay, so this is the modified expression with no AND symbol, only OR. So we first applied this here, we got this expression, then we applied this second De Morgan theorem at two places, first here in this portion, then here in the whole expression, and we got this modified expression. Now we have to implement it using NOR gates. So now we have to implement this Boolean expression using NOR gates. So first we will implement this A or B complement whole complement. For that we'll take the signal A, we have to get B complement, so we'll pass it through a NOR gate, we'll get B complement, then we'll pass these two signals we'll get A plus B complement whole complement. We have got this. Now we have to get C complement. So we'll pass the signal through a NOR gate, we'll get C complement. Now if we pass these two signals through a NOR gate, it will give us a plus b complement whole complement plus c complement whole complement, but we do not require this top complement, we only require this, the expression which is below the whole complement. So what we will do, we will again pass this signal through another NOR gate, which will get us complement of this. So the complement of a complement will get neutralized and will get this signal here, okay, which is the required signal. Okay, so this is the whole thing. So the basic idea behind this whole implementation using universal gates, same was in NAND gates. First you have to see the whole expression, then you have to figure out a way in which you can modify the expression, basically using De Morgan's theorem, in a format that can be applied using the required universal gates. In NAND gates we always converted the expression, we modified the expression in AND form. Here we require it to convert it into OR form, okay, plus, only plus symbols should be there, and then you can implement it using the universal gates, okay. So we have got the designed the logic circuit, and it required 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, again 5 NOR gates, okay. So this is the second question.